What's up, guys? It's your girl Lou Cruz, aka 9 to 5 Laptop Junkie Lou, and I'm back with another video. So, today's video is entitled How to Make Money from Home on YouTube. Okay? So, in order to make money on YouTube, you have to get your channel popping. So, how do we get your channel popping? Branding and consistency. Okay, so for every video that you make, you need to have an awesome YouTube thumbnail. And luckily, Canva gives you a bunch of templates where you can just swap in and out, okay? For instance, this video is, what's it called? How to make money from home on YouTube. Just copy that. Go back to my Canva design. Paste it. Boom. Now, literally should have at least one picture of myself in here. Let's see what happens if I put this in there. Boom. Oh, shoot. You can double click on it when you slide it in there to maybe make it a little like that. Done. Okay, whatever. So, that's literally how simple it is. Put your title in here, put your picture. You don't have to put a picture of you. I just like to put my picture all over my YouTube channel so people know what I look like, know who's making these videos, builds trust. Okay, so literally you could put any video in, any picture in there. Ooh, this one looks even better. That's me at the beach, obviously. But that looks pretty dope right there. And then all you would do is download it to your computer. Boom, press download. It is saving your downloads or wherever your computer saves at. And then this is the thumbnail that you would use for all of your YouTube videos. This is going to help you get more views, more subscribers, and in the long run, help you make money. Okay, so that's one way. And then let's go to YouTube channel art. It's very important that you have nice, clean YouTube channel art. And luckily, Canva gives it to you. Okay, so whatever your YouTube channel is called, 9 to 5 Laptop Junkie Lou. Okay, then obviously that's too big, so we'll take it down if it's at 158. Let's see what 114 looks like. Sorry. 96. Okay, I guess it doesn't really matter. I'm not using this. But pretend that's me, pretend those are my feet, and boom. Simple, of course. Again, you can literally drag and drop a picture of yourself. Dragged and dropped a picture of myself. I don't know what would be a cool out of all of these. I guess let's try this one. Like that. Okay. Schwa. Channel art. Download it. I upload it to my channel, okay? Actually, let's go to see what my channel looks like. YouTube.com. My channel. Okay, see? This is channel art that I made on Canva, but I added a little easy selling logo, which is pretty cool. I designed that myself. Okay, so boom. This is what, and make sure you change that, and to change that, you have to go to your Google account. Okay? Let's see if it will take you there. It does. Alright, so boom. You could change it to whatever. I'm not gonna change mine because I like it. Okay, but brand your YouTube channel. Even if you're not using yourself, if you have a logo, your logo needs to be here. Your logo needs to be all over your channel. Okay? I'm all over my channel because I'm branding myself. But if you want to just have a fitness channel and you have a logo for your fitness business, That's what needs to be here. That's what needs to be here, okay? And that's what needs to be all over your videos. Use SEO and keyword research tools to find niche keywords and drive viewers to your videos and your channel. So then, boom, you see I have two logos here. 1, 2, this is Keywords Everywhere, and this is TubeBuddy. So I'm going to show you how to get these two free Google Chrome extensions and how to use them. All right, so you go to Google, you type in Keywords Everywhere. Sorry, pulling up. Keywords Everywhere. You click here. Install for Chrome, install for Firefox. I don't use Firefox, I only use Chrome. If you don't use either of those, I recommend Chrome. And you need it to use this tool. Alright, so you install it for Chrome. It'll take you to this page. I already have it, but it would say add to Chrome here. Instead of remove from Chrome, add to Chrome. That's where you click. And then it'll send you a email passcode that you have to type in, like right here. I think you'll click this, and then you click settings, and then it asks for the code. You copy and paste it out of your email here, and then click validate. Okay, and that's how you get Keywords Everywhere. Now let me show you how to use Keywords Everywhere. Okay, so we'll go to google.com. Actually, I'm just gonna type in Google. Okay, so let's say your videos are about getting abs in 30 days or something like that. That's what you want to make a video about. So let's say how to get abs quick. Let's just try that. Okay, so this is a pretty good target. So right here, volume 1,300 a month. So 1,300 searches a month is what how to get abs quick gets. 1,300. Yeah, 1,300. Cost per click, 79 cents. So that's pretty good because a lot of the ones I see, like, okay, if you come over here, cost per click, $2.23. So compared to 79 cents, and usually that's kind of how much I see. So 40 cents. How to make six-pack without gym. Not that much search. 880 a month, but I mean, you could rank. You could rank for this. Alright, and then competition is 0.03. And this competition is out of 1. So if it has a 1 here, 1.0, that means the competition is like max. Super high. This is super low. 0.03. Not many people are targeting how to get abs quick on Google. Okay? So that's how you use it. Let's do one more. Exercises to get abs. Okay? And that's just what Google recommended. Alright? You can see a higher cost per click, more volume, which is 2,900. Competition very low, 0.04. i.e., if you create a website and name your website exercises to get abs, you'll probably be right here. You'll have to start driving traffic, but you should rank easy. It's not a lot of competition for this keyword. Okay, so next would be TubeBuddy, right? Yeah, we just went over Keywords Everywhere. Now we're on TubeBuddy. Okay, type in TubeBuddy into your Google. Go here. It says I have already installed it, but if you hadn't had it installed, if you don't have it installed in this, it will say install, like in this area. Okay, so once you install it, you'll have it here. But this is how you use it. All right. Go to youtube.com. Click on the TubeBuddy. Make sure you're signed in. It'll tell you to sign in if you're not. This is what you use, Keyword Explorer. Okay, so let's just do my video again. How to make money from home on YouTube. Okay, very good. 78 out of 100. So let's read this. This keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. Okay? Search volume. It's in the yellow, says good. Competition is in the green, in the light green, very good. And then optimization strength, excellent, way in the green. Now let me read what it says optimization strength is. This number represents how well optimized the top ranking videos are for the search phrase. If they are not well optimized, then it provides you an opportunity to break in and rank for the keyword by properly optimizing your video, putting this keyword in your title, description, and tags. Okay? So I guess this means that this is a good keyword to add to your title, description, and tags. Okay? But basically 78 out of 100, that's pretty good. So payout options. This is the last step of getting paid on YouTube. So you have the YouTube Partner Program, and you earn money from ads on videos and from YouTube Premium subscribers watching your content. Okay, now this is the hardest one to utilize in my opinion because you must meet all 5 YouTube Partner Program requirements. First and foremost, YouTube Partner Program has to be available in your country. I think you probably live in the US, so it's probably available. You have to have more than 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. So 4,000 watch hours for the year. 1,000 subscribers. You have to have more than 1,000 subscribers is what it actually says. So 1,001. You create content that meets YouTube Partner Program policies, and then you have to have a linked and approved AdSense account. So those are the 5 requirements that you have to meet in order to become a YouTube partner. Okay, and so that's probably what we're all striving for. But for now, there are 2 other ways that you can make money. Affiliate / influencer. So you sign up for free programs and get a percentage of sales made from your advertisements or referrals. Okay, so let's say you were back with those abs and you have videos, and then someone who sells some kind of ab thing like a waist trainer or anything related, you could reach out to them and say, I'll make a video reviewing your product for a certain amount of fee or for a free waist trainer, something like that. That's how you can get paid or get free stuff. Also, if you're an affiliate, you can go on ClickBank, JVZoo, Amazon affiliate, and you could review products that they have, or even sell products that they have, and you'll get a percentage. Okay, and then the last thing is contract. So provide a service or product for a fee. So for instance, I own a tax office. I do taxes. So let's say I got on YouTube, I made a video about tax information, do's and don'ts, Schedule A, Schedule C, whatever I made, about taxes. And then at the end of my video, I said, if you'd like me to prepare your taxes, just contact me, links in bio. That is a contract, so people would then contact me for me to do their taxes. Okay? And yes, I can do your taxes remotely, from anywhere. I'm certified in all 50 states. Okay, so that would be contract. Also, I make websites. I've made websites for a fee. So someone was like, oh, I need an affiliate site. Can you build that for me? Boom, that's a contract. Providing a service or product for free. For a fee, not for free. This video is free. Okay. And that's the end of it, how to make money from home on YouTube. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments, or feel free to reach me or contact me on my Instagram. That's Lou Cruz Music, LuCruiseMusic, Lou Cruz Music.